Once upon a time, two friends named Sarah and Rachel went on a camping trip in the woods. They had been planning this trip for weeks and were excited to spend a few days in nature, away from the hustle and bustle of the city. On their first night, they set up their tent and started a fire. As they were roasting marshmallows, they heard strange noises coming from the woods. At first, they brushed it off as just the sounds of nature. But as the night went on, the noises got louder and more ominous. Sarah and Rachel tried to ignore the noises and went to sleep. But they were soon awakened by a figure standing outside their tent. It was a man, dressed in tattered clothes and covered in dirt. He had a sinister look in his eyes, and the girls could tell he was up to no good. Terrified, Sarah and Rachel tried to run, but the man chased after them. They ran through the woods, trying to find a way out, but the man was always one step behind them. As they ran, Rachel stumbled and fell. The man caught up to her and grabbed her by the arm. Sarah turned around and saw the man dragging Rachel away into the darkness. She knew she had to do something to save her friend. Sarah gathered all her courage and followed the man into a cave. She found Rachel tied up, surrounded by strange symbols and candles. The man had a knife in his hand, and it was clear he intended to sacrifice Rachel to some dark entity. Sarah knew she had to act fast. She grabbed a rock and hit the man on the head, knocking him unconscious. She untied Rachel, and the two friends ran out of the cave, never looking back. The experience left Sarah and Rachel shaken, but also grateful for their friendship. They realized that they needed to look out for each other, no matter what. They also learned that sometimes, the most terrifying things in life are the things that we can't see coming. Moral of the story: never underestimate the power of friendship, and always be prepared for the unexpected.